Hello guys, in this video we will see how to build an app in minutes using Google AI Studio. So first we will go to the browser, search for Google AI Studio. Then you will see first screen, first link, click on Google AI Studio. Once you click on it, here you will see Google AI Studio Playground. So here we have option to feature code and chat, image generation, video generation, speech and music, and real time. These kind of things you can explore in this AI Studio model. So real time will give voice with Gemini Live. Now we will go to the build, and here we have to give a prompt what we want to build. So it should describe what kind of application we want to build. So we will write it here when this prompt that I copied already. So after giving this prompt, we will click on build button. So here you can see what I can given is like social media growth hacker job is to take video topics and generate 30-second script. So now let's click on the build button. When you click on build button, it will take some time to complete the processing. Here it will show you all the possible designs that is available as per your prompt, or how many options it will show you. So you can select whichever design you like, and you can skip for it if you don't want to select from your side, and let it be handled automatically. So now our application is build up ready. Here you can see hack the algorithm application already there. We have code option as well. There I can see what is the code to build this UI and to build this application. This code you can use, and all the files are available. In preview mode, I can see what is my application. Here in full screen, I have opened it, how it will work. So I can just do the testing. I given one small script that what I want to generate the script from this hack of algorithm. So here the hook part is that stop scrolling, our manager just asked for a 5-minute fix that might actually end my career. So here is the body, what day one, developer one, what developer two will talk. After that we have the call of action, what action need to check. So here we have generated full script. Same way you can also build your own application. Now back to the build button. And also you have option to do the share and publish. So if you want to publish your app, you can do it, but you need a prime version for this one. So you can create your own project and give it a name, and then click on project. So here I'm writing script app, created a project. Once this project is done, you can publish it. So I'll select my project here, and here we need billing because it is paid version. So right now I don't have any paid version, that's why I'm not able to do it. But if you have paid version, you can do this one. Now you can go to build screen. Here in left side you will see all your recently created applications or your apps that you used, and then here you can see my viral script hacker that we built up right now, and gallery if you have anything uploaded or you generated something. In the right side you can change the model, which model you want to use. Here we have list of options, you can change any model, and we have system instruction. It can also help you to generate the output, like while generating the output, what things to consider, what to not, and what it should include. That format you can use. In framework also you can use, and here we have microphone that is default. So this way you can manage, and also you can upload some files or any you want to click images that you can do. And also with AI Studio we have these much options, and also you can generate API keys. If you are enabling billing, then you can use this API key for your any AI projects. And go back to dashboard. Now this we have given all the overview of Google AI Studio. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.